You can get good equipment, you can get good products, but if you don't install it correctly, you don't have it designed correctly, it can make a big difference in the performance of that unit. All right, beautiful weather out today. We are on a very important project. We are on my mom and dad's remodeling. So we got the ductwork going. We've got legacy services, HVAC and heating services are doing a wonderful job for us. And we can see that we have the latest ducting. It's an R8 ducting. It's a quiet flex duct, and that meets the new codes. The R8 insulation in these ducts is superior than what it used to be years ago, but that's all been changed. So we've got the structure up here, and we've got Ernest and Jose up here. I'm gonna go take a look up and see how it's going. We've got the nice new registers that are going to be going in here, and this is our kitchen area, so it'll have a nice flow. We're going to have several ducts. We've got the unit sitting up in the attic. We built a platform for that, and these guys are doing a great job routing it all, and they have been a wonderful asset on this job, like they are on all of them. We always can count on them being on time, and so when they said they were going to be here today, I knew I could count on being here too, because they always show up on time. So we have our horizontal high efficiency Moehle unit right here, and plenty of walk room to service it. We've got our drain pan, which has had the drain will be connected to that soon right here. So Jose's getting it all set up. We've got our return ear coming in on that side, and then the plenum is right on this side, which branches out into the different ducts that we need. So the return air is hefty coming off the wall of the living room. So that gets that whole side of the house and this side of the house, which is a big part of it. And with the doors lifted, cut up high enough, we're going to get really good circulation through here. But this is nice because a person can get up in here and walk and service the unit, change the filters, do the regular maintenance on it. So we're excited to see this going in, because now we're going to be ready to finish the electrical, hook it all up, give it a test run, and then we're going to be ready to sheetrock, insulate and sheetrock. So we really appreciate what Legacy is doing. All right, let's go down and check out some of the registers that they're putting in. All of this is running across the main area. That's a raised ceiling, but we left enough room in there for the main trunk line to feed the bedrooms and the other bathroom on the other side. That allows the unit to be over here, which is where we had the most attic space and the most convenient. We wanted the unit to be centralized as much as possible. So it's really real close to the middle of the building, and that's why the trunk line's running over here, and then the other trunk lines will be shorter. But the good thing is the air flows better when it's all centrally located, and your return airs are all coming from the outside edges, bringing it to a center point. That central point's really gonna make that unit work a lot more effectively. You can get good equipment, you can get good products, but if you don't install it correctly, you don't have it designed correctly, it can make a big difference in the performance of that unit. So we know we've got this one designed right, and we will make you happy, Dad. Thank you, appreciate it.